So if it's going to get shot like this, then I guess I need to be dressed like this. That's it. This probably will not be the last video I make, but you know, there's so many, you know, installments and increments and sections and intervals. So why not? Why not? I can use this to go through all of the fundamentals, right? Everything that has to do with fractions, decimals. I even have a funny video I wanted to make about, and you know what? I'll save that for the other page. But right here, remind me that these need to be shot in 9x16. And of course, this is 144. Right? This is 144. How do I remember? Prime numbers. 3x3, 2x2x2x2. Don't ask me why I remember that. I've been working a lot with these. I wonder if TikTok is gonna let me block out that. Maybe I could. Maybe I could just put some text up here and some text right here just to block out all of that. You see why I don't like the 9x16? This is why. This is why I don't like the 9x16, but it's fine. It's fine. We'll compromise, okay? So anyhow, anytime we're doing that, don't worry. It won't be the last time I do videos in 9x16. But of course, this page is again less about me, right? It's more about, really? You know what? Yeah. More about the board, less about me. Right? More about the board and less about me. So if you happen to see something like this, oh, look at that. There you go. All right, why is it dark now? Why? That's okay. I think I know why. Really? Oh, we'll fix that. We'll fix that. We will fix that. So if we're going into that first person tutor mode, it needs to look a lot more like this. Yeah? Yeah. So we have 2x2x2x5 or 4 times 10, right? For the 40, right? So there you go. That's a 40 right there. And then we have the 20 over there. So we're going to have to put those together, right? Yeah, sometimes the 9x16 is a little bit limited, right? So a little bit. Alright, so what are we doing here? What we're going to do with that? We're going to put them together. So we're going to have, so we're going to have 5 2s and 2 5s. Okay. Alright. So 3 2s is tied to one of the 5s. And the other 2 2s is tied to the other 5. So I wonder if you can see that. So that one is our 40. And the other part that we didn't select is our 20. So how on earth are we going to get that pesky 57 in the middle? That one in the middle, right? How are we going to get that? How are we getting all of that? Now, if we group all the 2's, we're going to get 32. And then 5 by 5, well, that's 25. So if we add 32 to 25, we'll get 57 when each of them have an x. So you'll have a 32x plus 25x. That would be a positive 57. So when both of them are negative, you will have a negative 57. So, ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the board. Right? So you'll see the 32 and the 25, you add them, you get 57. Alright, so now we have the 2 brackets down, right? We have those 2 brackets down. So what do we do with all of that now? HCF of 25 and 20, that's going to be 5. Or maybe we could do, you know what, why not the 40 and 32? Let's do that first. Now let's pretend that we actually did forget. Why don't we divide 40 by 8 and 32 by 8? So if we divide minus 32x by minus 4, we will get a positive 8x. And then of course we can copy and paste the 5x minus 4 over there. And if we divide minus 25x by the 5x, the outside will be a minus 5. Yeah? So again, less about me and more of the board. Follow each page and stay consistent. And if you remember nothing else, honor your commitments.